Go.
Hey peeps, welcome back to Yassy.Tailz. So today I'm here with Angie and Sean. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a part 3 to the soda challenge.
We're gonna be doing a Coke challenge.
Coke challenge.
Yeah, we're gonna have Coca-Cola because somebody commented to do Coca-Cola next. So we're doing Coca-Cola next. But our mom only got the little bottles. Babe, can you get the little bottles out? Are you tickling? Are you tickling? Oh, dang. Okay, so
Who took 2?
So we got these bottles of Coke. I think they're only, what ounces are these? The 8 ounces? No, it's 12. The 12 ounce bottoms? The 12 ounce bottles. So we're gonna do the challenge with these.
We're just
Okay.
shake and pop if you do that. Who cares? Put it back.
Put it back.
Oh, this right?
Yeah. Babe's gonna lose first. Look. That looks better, I think.
Ooh, we should have oh, we forgot the thumbnail.
Oh,
Give me the wrapper.
Yeah, get the better Yeah, we'll have to do his bottles. Remember that, okay? Thumbnail. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Wait,
Wait,
I gotta
cheers.
open mine.
Cheers. Clink. Clink.
I'm scared.
Okay,
Just
ready?
go.
Babe, dang, you already going?
Oh no, it's coming. It's coming.
No, shut up. Gabby, did you want to lose?
No,
the
I'm
challenge
sorry.
so
Okay,
bad?
bro. I'm so sorry. Cut that out.
Babe, really?
No.
You're gonna show me up like that?
Angie in editing cut all my burps out again. Cause no.
No, we had to cut out
Keep
this.
going, PP. Peter, stop taking little sips. Chug it.
Babe,
Give him another bottle. See if he can drink.
Another one?
babe, really? How the heck? You didn't open the phone. You can't even do it. How you doing it like that? It's because of Coke.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm still in it.
Edit in all Yassi's verbs.
That's cheating.
Because you're the one that said edit it out. You're cheating.
You want me to drink it, babe?
See?
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Go off.
Oh my gosh, is it?
That's how much I drank. Without burping.
She did burp before.
I did not burp.
She
No, I
burped
didn't.
right here.
I didn't.
She burped right here.
I thought that was
Burped
burping.
right here.
No, I didn't.
She did.
Peter, if you don't stop taking small sips, you can do it. Chug it. No, I'm just kidding. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. I didn't burp at all.
Yes, you did burp.
No, I didn't burp.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
He's
did.
not even in the video. Cut it the screen like this.
No.
He doesn't. No, he's not in here. Hurry up and drink your damn soda.
Hear my voice.
Oh my god, this better come out. I gotta lose. I won.
Oh my goodness. I'm stuck. It's
Are you
stuck.
sure?
It's stuck in my stomach. That's not how you do it.
I'm not gonna pat her stomach.
Peter!
She be burping.
It's the acid. Sprite is better.
So why did you burp with me?
You should try to do the alphabet.
Right? When you feel like maybe you should go to the
You didn't do the ABC. gimme, gimme. Hurry up.
My teeth are cold now.
Done.
Yeah, my teeth are closed, too.
Pete, you can do it.
Couple more sips, Pete.
Did you finish?
Yeah, I finished.
Done.
That was the first time.
You're gonna explode.
It looks like
And edit it, and he's
it
like,
looks like it's all built up in
I'm
here.
good.
I'm so. Have you ever burped that? He be bumping when
It's
we
coming
look.
for him. He's trying
He
to.
disguises his burps under mine. Or he's doing those little burps in your, like,
In your esophagus.
esophagus. You should,
Esophagus.
you
Q-U-B-E.
should no, you should do like a thing where if you ever say a big word in a thing, like stop the video midway of you by yourself doing it. Like an ad.
Esophagus.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, that's the definition. That would be funny. I'm gonna do that. You haven't burped yet at all, PB? There ain't no way.
That was just gas.
That was just gas.
Okay, peeps. So that was it for this video. Now,
Oh! Try the alphabet next time. I won't be able to do it.
oh,
You didn't know the alphabet.
okay, y'all. Okay, peeps. So that was it for this video, and Shaw's gonna do the outro. Okay. Anyways.
Yeah, peace
Okay, peeps, so that was it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on post notifications by hitting smash and do whatever you need to do to get notified when we repost a new video. For right now,
Peace out, Pete. Bye.
oh, we cute.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.